Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes on a hot day. Fourth day in a row with widespread highs in the 90s across eastern Pennsylvania to southern New England. And at least as of 1:30 Eastern time, some of the hot spots include Mount Holly in South Jersey, where it is 97, Atlantic City at 95. These are the highs of the day so far. Vineland, New Jersey at 98. So with peak temperatures coming at around 3 to 4 o'clock, as long as there isn't an isolated thunderstorm that develops, we're going to see probably some 100-degree highs in parts of South Jersey. And we're also seeing some hot numbers here at Newark, 97. So they may go to 100 today too. 93 today at LaGuardia. Long Island temperatures are generally around the 90-degree mark. Even Montauk on the east end of Long Island is at 90, and points further north, we're looking at 97 at Vernon Rockville outside of Hartford for the high there, 93 for Brainerd Airport in Hartford for the high so far today. Boston at Logan so far 91, 91 for Lawrence G. Hanscom Field. And further west, temperatures upper 80s to low 90s. Even up the Hudson Valley, we're looking at temperatures that are in the upper 80s and low 90s around Albany right now. We're seeing 91 at the airport there. And I always like to check Saratoga, and temperatures are in the upper 80s to around 90. As it is racing season and a big racing weekend coming up. So further south, most temperatures are generally around 90 or in the low 90s as you head down into Maryland and into northeastern Virginia. On the satellite, at least so far, not a whole lot happening. There's a good deal of sunshine across the northeast down into the mid-Atlantic states. You can see some clouds and some blow-ups of some showers and thunderstorms going on in parts of Alabama and Mississippi and back down into Louisiana and also in South Florida, and that'll be confirmed by the radar. Some scattered cells have developed now heading into the Catskills, and this is one of the things we'll watch for as we go into the evening hours, that there could be some thunderstorms, and the possibility exists for some severe weather across Pennsylvania to the New Jersey state line. Showers off the North Carolina coast, and here are some of the showers and thunderstorms we talked about in parts of Alabama, Mississippi, the Florida Panhandle, and down over into Louisiana. Marginal risk of severe weather today from easternmost Ohio northeastward through Pennsylvania to just touching northwest New Jersey and into the Catskills and into south central New York State. Other areas of marginal risk from the central plains to the lower lakes, and also up in the northern plains and parts of North Dakota and into Minnesota. For tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center has an enhanced risk in parts of eastern Minnesota and into Wisconsin. That comes with a 2 to 5% tornado risk. And then Sunday, as we move into day 3, this is Sunday into Monday, marginal risk northern New York and western New York into the upper Ohio Valley and lower lakes. And I think for Monday, we're probably going to see at the very least a marginal risk of severe weather in the northeast and down into the mid-Atlantic states. Not a whole lot of rain to speak of going forward if that's what you're looking for. Just about a half to 3/4 of an inch from western New England down into the mid-Atlantic states, a little bit higher on the west side of the Appalachians and parts of West Virginia into southern Ohio and into Kentucky back through Illinois, where we're looking at anywhere from 1.5 to 2.5 inches. So I just want to bring up the high temperature forecast map for Sunday because this is going to be, I think, the hottest day of this entire stretch. As far as widespread 90s and putting them together in a streak, this will be day 6. Monday will be day 7, and that should be the last day before we get a little bit of a break. But Sunday, I think there's a fairly good chance that we're going to see 100-degree highs in parts of eastern Massachusetts. Boston being forecast at 98, close enough. 100-degree highs also in the interior from Springfield northward. And in and around New York City and northeastern New Jersey, also possibly in parts of South Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania, we could see temperatures on Sunday well up into the 90s to around 100 degrees. So it really becomes a matter going forward of when is this all going to break. And I think we're going to have to look at the possibility of a break coming on later Monday with a trough. And as we look at the upper air going into that, I've got the European up. You see how the jet stream just pulls up into way up into southeastern Canada, going into the and over the weekend. And it's on Monday that we have a stronger trough that moves across the northern lakes and into southeastern Canada and into northeastern New England. And that might be just enough to push a cold front through here with some showers and storms and some severe weather. And then the upper atmosphere normalizes a little bit with the northwest flow. So that should give us a little bit of a break in the temperatures for Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. And then we probably have another cold front to deal with late next week as another trough swings in. So as far as widespread shower and thunderstorm activity, the day to look at here will be on Monday when the front goes by. I'm running it backwards here just to give you a flavor of where the weather is coming from. And now, of course, as far as today is concerned, again, there might be some pockets of isolated severe thunderstorms across Pennsylvania into parts of upstate New York, maybe touching into northwest New Jersey. A general risk that there could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm just about anywhere going into this evening, though I think the vast majority of you won't see very much. Saturday, I'll throw it in there just in case. I think the odds are pretty low. Sunday, again, the chance that there could be an afternoon isolated shower or thunderstorm, maybe a better chance on Sunday than on Saturday, but again, these will be scattered in nature. And then Monday, which will be the last day, I think, of the continuous 90-degree plus highs, will probably be up into the lower 90s in most places with a cold front and some thunderstorms late Monday afternoon into Monday evening. So it's the last bunch of days in the month of July. It's hot, it's humid, and it's going to stay that way through the weekend and into the very first part of next week. The Joe and Joe Weather Show will be back on Sunday morning at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We hope to see you then. Enjoy the rest of your Friday and your weekend.